large aerospace fitting customer that falls under the Southern California market. So they are a hole company. They strictly make a ton of holes. The biggest pain point for them was usage of solid carbide drills. And they noticed a large spike in spend, equaling well over $1 million in drills. We discovered one that this customer, because they do utilize a regrind feature and solution, they get brand new drills, regrind them, and reuse regrind drills. We were noticing that the employees were withdrawing out of our MSC vending new drills over used drills primarily. So that drove the spike in cost up. When it came to drills, we also noticed a big factor of machine capabilities as well as lot sizes for the customer. Due to the small lot sizes that the customer would have, they would never get the full benefits of a material-specific drill. We did modify the changes in vending dispensing with rationalization to limit the amount of new drills being dispensed. We did do a full retrain with every employee, discussed with them exactly what the new changes were going to be made. And by eliminating that material-specific drill and utilizing the general all-purpose drill across the board, they were able to save a ton of money. We've standardized their tools across the board through their whole shop, and the savings is tracking to be roughly about $800,000.